Oh, 1980, 9500 plus Ski-Doo Blizzard. Mostly complete. I have a back seat for it, but it's pretty much just foam anymore at this point. I do have another grab handle for the back off a different Ski-Doo machine that matches. New fuel lines. Tank works good. And it runs. It's definitely a little beat up. So I don't know if this would be something somebody would want the motor for, to put into a better sled body. But if I can't get a couple $100 for the whole sled, I'll just keep it around here for when it does snow. All the instruments are there. It does run. Sounds like she'd really fly. Have any questions, let me know.